On the 13th of August 2024, marking the third anniversary of late Hnlc leader Cheristarfield Thankhiews' death, 3 pressure groups from Mawlai area that include the Khasi Students Union, the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people and the Hynniewtrep National Youth Front observed what they call a Black Day for the state's indigenous community. The groups, protesting what they describe as injustice against the former General Secretary of the Hnlc, carried banners denouncing the police action that led to Thankhiews' death at his Mawlai Kanton Masa residence on the 13th of August 2021. They also displayed black flags on vehicles across Shillong City to commemorate the day. On the same day, family and friends laid wreaths at the tombstone of the late Hnlc leader to honor his memory. Floral tributes were also paid by prominent figures, including President of the Hynniewtrep National Awakening Movement, Thomas Pasa, former self-styled Vice Chairman of the Hnlc, Manbhalang Jirwa, and Government Interlocutor and President of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Front, HNYF, Sadon Bla, amongst others.
Ujung kelat sendat noji di jong kebor juga an. Hak lai trik agos arhajar apoi lai sendat mencuang. Nak beburam ru yepi iseng balang beper badan hagni kelempung jaka. Matunjuk pai ba hi barok kawai barok ke badan hangni barok ke Hynniewtrep badan ni. Bayi sem perlok perjor barok. Adap daging sokomen sesien pan. Habangi EP befilum ni pelun. Yang ni umat lom jeng tep jong i menjonga kene pen pau sisa ngadap jeng kemen bo songo ipi kapen pau bo plan ko jadin real yim sha i maroi akan mau kapen kan mau ying wing sam lais nemen shwa haba ki bor jong sarkar ko bangela banong kile no teroris jong sarkar hapo ke jengalang jong ujak pal sing danwa bat kat tu kat ningut laingut songot ki polit khasi ki badan senda jong Palawan sim ban kini jendat ya gejing imji nak selajung ni ke perthai. Kani ke penpau pan ngi penram ru bat hadu mentam ke ye yem la ban pediang ya gejing le reu klau gejing kepelong gejing le khau pot khau ej ke jongki. Namar balai kiwan yo briau bom don syu watang ke bor ki ikhtiaru. Bakang joong berbor kini kentien bat ngani ong berbor. Haba ladang human jonga jen undalayak ha kamadan thma ha gejing kun ngakum parau ngan soi ai mangatep bahaman thma kat bakloi ban pul yu trigat henrei bapin chuan kum to habau breu umdan shu akaseng lasong thai phishim kabu ya jinglong jing i baim dan shu kala jing da menuru hata kapor phishim kabu pambani i na shim bagani ke de jing revenge ke jong phi ya humben jonga ya ke e belajar kisnam ba min shwa phimyo henrei phiwan menta de la dal stang marwai ai ke jing pandram ke bejur ya kini kila nok sarkar hapo ke jing alam jong jakpol sing thanau polit bolong SP jong ri bhoi bamenta lain ngut sangut polit kasi bade khmat anur banang majin daladai bahman janga udang dan pakaseng kinam yo ai daga basuk da shisha disha kinam yo ai daga basuk namang tip ka jinglong ji kalong ipaslur mat bamju pendam.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Thangkhiew, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.